y'all, today we're gonna do another fun fall favorite Payday candy bar fudge. So you need to get you a saucepan on the stove. I'm gonna put this on low because I'm worried it's gonna burn. Go ahead and empty a whole can of condensed milk, half a cup of peanut butter. You're gonna melt that down until it's smooth. I've also got some white chocolate chips, but let me see if I can try to get this to melt just a little bit before I add them. You'll need 12 ounces of white chocolate chips for a whole pack. Okay, so I got everything softened, mixed together, smooth, but you've got to work quickly. So we're going to put in our vanilla, which is just a teaspoon. Okay, stir that up real quick. And this is going to be kind of tough to stir. The vanilla helps a little. All right. I divided my candy corn and my peanuts. I split them in half, which I think it would probably be best just to do like a cup and then a half a cup, but I did it just completely in half and I split both. They're both divided. So after you stir this in, you need to do one thing of candy corn and one thing of peanuts. So stir that up. Ugh, it's really hard to do. It's starting to get thick. So stir all that together. Okay. And then you're pretty much finished. All you have to do, it's really hard, is to put it in, let me move all this, your 8x8 or 9x9 pan lined with foil, and I went ahead and sprayed it. I need to get my rubber spatula. I gotta work quickly and get it in there because it's hardening up as we speak. And you still got one final thing to do. Oh. Okay. So get it in your prepared pan the best you can. It already smells like Payday candy bars. My kids are gonna love this. Okay. It's starting to harden. We gotta hurry. Okay. Love this kind of fudge. Making way better than fudge that I have to use a candy thermometer on, because that kind of shows where, you know, it could fail. This is pretty much foolproof. Just have to hurry. The next thing we'll do is we'll top with everything that's remaining, which is probably way too much. And I'm gonna kind of mix it up a little so it doesn't. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of press it in. Okay, rest of our peanuts. Okay. Alright, so kind of press it. Now don't forget you have some inside the fudge too, so just kind of press to the top. Make sure that they're kind of stuck in there. And you could use probably the back of a cooking spoon or something if you'd prefer, or back of a spatula of some sort. Okay, so that's it. So you'll let this cool to room temperature, and then you'll put it in the fridge, and you can store it in an airtight container at room temperature. But what I would do is let it sit out till it cools off, stick it in the fridge, cut it into squares, and then store it in your container. Okay. Y'all have a nice day. I'll see y'all next time.